For use case number 2, I'm going to show you how we can predict our expenses based on our own dataset. So for the second use cases, you can go through a regression model. From here, the plus button where you actually can upload your own data, click here and then you can upload your own data. Name your data and put your description. So choose file. Here I upload my own file. As usual, we can see the table preview. You can preview your own dataset. So what's the dataset telling us? From the plus button here, you can see all the features and column where the dataset features is a gender, marital status, occupation status, household size, number of house purchase type, net monthly income, number of credit card, number of members, insurance, internet access, groceries, utilities, miscellaneous, and expenses. So from here, they go to data pre-processing. So this is where we process the data, where we can see the outliers, the missing data, and the redundant data. We get the information where outliers is 0.3%. So to locate the outliers, select the features where the outliers lying in. Okay, great. Now we get the outliers. So it shows how the number of house. What we can do here is using the outliers handling strategy. As usual, we are using a median value or cap user IQR min and max. So in this case, I will using cap user IQR min and max. Run processing. Save a new file. And then here we get the clean data set that we are using our outlier strategies. So build our model, go to train my model. So from this data set, we get the general idea where we want to predict the expenses based on the features. You can select your own features. There's expenses, gender, groceries, house purchase type, household size, ID, insurance, internet access, marital status, miscellaneous, net monthly income, number credit card, number of member, number house, occupation status, and utilities. So in this case, you are using our system where you can auto select. In the backend, it will choose any relevant and relatable features for building the model. So run training. Okay, great. Now we have done our machine learning model. Shows a completed status. From the action section here, you can click the 3 layers button here where it actually show the status of your machine learning model. There's an info and configuration, result, and the dataset. So this is where the training features that have been trained on the backend with the auto selection features. Then this is where we want to predict. Okay, great. We can go to the testing page right here where we actually can see how the prediction is going on with your own input number. Let's say the net monthly income for me, I would say like 4,100. Marital status, single, rent, one, meal, full time. Okay, execute the prediction and you get your expenses. See, great, right? Let's try another one. Let's say my income could be 2,500. Yeah, we do. Nice. So we get our prediction, the number of our expenses that we need to cater in that month. In the backend, we're actually running several algorithm, and as usual, it will choose the highest number of accuracy. So you don't have to worry about the accuracy. With this cloud button, you can deploy into API key level or web URL. Just click the deploy now, then you have the API key and the web URL.